Welcome back to my vlog channel. So tonight is Grand Market night and we're heading out to Grand Market Jamaican style in St. Elizabeth. We're heading to Junction, St. Elizabeth. Alright, so come along with me to Grand Market Jamaican style. Say hi to Azania. You can't even see Azania. She's in the dark. Come on, Zania.
Hi!
Yes.
Whoa!
Whoa! The mirror needs to clean, man. Let me video what's going on in Junction. It's a bit dark, but I think you're able to see somewhat the activities. We're just passing the police station. So young ladies are out. Even little children are out. So we have until 1 p.m. or Prime Minister said 1 a.m. rather. Prime Minister said. Alright, so that's the new KFC in Junction. Yeah, and the line is long. People want them KFC in the Grand Market. Police patrolling the streets. See the baby? Even the baby is at that market. And people trying to make some money. People selling a lot of clothes and toys. Last year Grand Market was nothing like this. I think everything closed off from 6 or 4. So we're in Junction Square now and we're heading to the left side. What about jerk chicken? Some jerk chicken. Lots of people out. Whole heap of people on the road.
Sail out, sail out. Hello, 5 beer for $1,000, yes sir. 5 beer for $1,000. Right at the bar, right, yes sir. Right at the sail out to the fire.
Sail out from the bar, beer. Oh my goodness. The beer girl you can't not unseal. People on the road. Some wearing the mask. Lot of them not wearing masks. Jamaica for you. Alright, we're going at Junction City Center Road.
Let's talk it. Genocide, the clip full of poison. Yo, yellow.
About for the children to enjoy themselves. How long the kids don't have this man? That's a good look. Popcorn over there. Would you like popcorn then?
Yes, mommy.
Alright, we're gonna get popcorn. Where you can pull over, please. Turn right here. Come, Zen. I have to open it for you, right? That's a movie. Put on your shirt. Take your time.
Can I get cotton candy instead?
No.
Okay.
But we never no more. Alright, so me and Ashley are gonna buy popcorn. That's us. Popcorn. Grand Market night in Junction.
Where you see them? No.
How you sell the popcorn?
That's me next with tree.
You want $100? Here. Give me 2.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah. You got people. You know, like just stand up and call sir and you're not here no man.
I just wanted the
You want hot dog? Or popcorn? Popcorn? You want cotton candy? Okay.
One KFC Junction.
She wants cotton candy. Alright, let me show you what it looks like.
And I want cotton candy Monday at Junction.
You want topping on it?
You want topping?
What is that?
It's butter, nice butter.
Oh, yes.
Alright, thank you. Here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me have one more.
No, pink and blue.
Look at the popcorn. Let me show them the cotton candy. Mommy, tell you so?
Yes. Mommy sent me.
Popcorn. Then selling us
That's the cotton candy being made. Thank you. Here you go.
What's me gonna need? How much bag you have? No, I don't know. Yeah, it's about me to sell it and then.
The night still early.
Exactly. What time you know? 9
You see the cotton candy maker?
Yeah.
It's not even 8:30, 20 minutes after 8. Night still early. I get 20 minutes.
Cotton candy soon done.
You're not forgot no bigger. That's alright. You're not even the cheese that's I got. Come Kayla. Blue, 2 boy. This all way too big.
Oh my god. How should I eat that?
You're not even the cheese that's I did not go.
Water.
Enough water too.
Is it nice? Yeah? No, I don't want any, thank you. Oh my god. Alright. Me tell her, hey. Give me a hot dog. Much of the hot dog? Much of the hot dog?
the hot dog. It's already at 200, but it's already.
Alright. Let me go leave. Come. Come. It's gonna take too long for you to get the popcorn. Yeah? It's gonna take too long for you to get the cotton candy. Okay.